Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So what you want to do is pretty simple, is that when you're gonna hold the power button, you will get here to Bixby, but that's not what we want. What you want to do is to hold power button and then this minus volume, right? Like decreasing the volume. When you're gonna do it, what will happen is that you will get right here and you have options to restart or power off. So I'm going to click here restart and restart. And that's how it's done. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. And also if this video helped you, you can write down below in the comments that it was helpful. So when the other people would come here, they would know that, okay, this video is legit. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.